how to clone any website for free. This sounds almost too good to be true, but in this video I want to show you step by step how you can clone any website with the help of AI. And we will take the Netflix website here as an example, and I want to show you how you can clone this in under 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's start. The tool we will be using is called Base44. It's an AI website builder, an app builder, and you will find the link to it down in the video description. It's a partner link and it lets you start for free. So just click on it and it will bring you to this page, and here you can see that you can create powerful apps and websites with Base44. And I would recommend that you click on build now, because then you can sign up with your Google account and an email and a password. And once you have done this, you will land on this screen. And here you can type in anything you want, for example, any app you want to build or any website you want to create. But as said, in this video, we want to clone a website, and therefore I will just go on netflix.com, and now we want to clone the entire website for us. And therefore I will just go back to Base44, and in here I can just tell the AI what I want to do, and therefore I can just go ahead and click on the microphone icon right here and tell the AI, please go ahead and copy or clone this Netflix website for me and just recreate the entire website 100%. I want every text and every image the same way. And now you can just go ahead and make edits by just typing in, for example, I will give it the URL and delete the beginning. So please go ahead and clone this Netflix website for me and just recreate the entire website 100%. I want every text and every image the same way. And now you can just go ahead and click send, and the AI will now scrape the website, everything there, and then recreate the entire thing with HTML and CSS code for you. And it will just take 1 or 2 minutes. It's really amazing how good this AI is. And meanwhile, just a small disclaimer, this is just for demonstration purposes and educational purposes. So please don't go ahead and copy the Netflix website one by one, because then you will probably run into copyright infringement cases. This is just a heads up. This is just a demo to show you how you can clone your own website, or just make the website after this your own by uploading your own images, videos, and whatnot. As you can see now, the AI goes ahead and scrapes the website and generates the images for you. And now it's writing the code. And as said, it probably takes a minute, and then we will see the result. And now the AI is done. So the streaming service landing page is done. And it didn't call it Netflix because of copyright infringement. It called it Streamix, unlimited movies, TV shows, and more. And you can see, you can type in your email address here and trending now. And it even created new thumbnail pictures for the movies on Streamix. So that's quite amazing. Every picture is recreated. And so there's not even the case of copyright infringement. And yeah, this, as you can see, looks exactly like the Netflix website. So you can see it here, and it created its own movie covers here and an FAQ page and where people can sign up. And you can see this exact same thing here. So I don't know about you, but I think this is crazy. I love it. Let's see if it's done the help center. No, it brings you back to the homepage. Probably this is not linked here. Yeah, jobs is not linked. So everything down in the footer, the sites are not linked, the privacy policy. But you can just go ahead now and tell the AI to do this. So every site you now need on top of this, you can just go ahead and tell the AI, please create me a privacy policy or some FAQ page or help center or like a media center or whatnot. So I think this works perfectly fine already. So you can just go ahead whenever you like a website, you take the link and then you go in Base44 and just say, create me a similar site. And you see, you almost get the same design as the initial site. So of course it didn't create this picture here in the back, but it also didn't steal the picture. Because of copyright infringement, we can't do that. I want to show you another case. For example, I have a German website here and it's built on Wix, another website builder. And I now want to create the same website for me in English. And then I can just go back to Base44 and tell the AI to do that. So I can say, hey, this is my website in German and I want the same website in English. So just recreate the homepage for me, 100% the same page, and just copy everything there because it's mine. So you can just go ahead and do that. And I think this case is even better because now I don't have any copyright infringement cases because it's my website and I can just recreate and clone the entire website. And therefore I can just go ahead and send it. And now it does the same thing, but it translates me my website into English from German. Yeah. Meanwhile, if you want to try it out, out, as said, you will find the link down here in the video description. You can just go ahead and click on it and then try to duplicate or clone your own website or any other website you find online. I'm no lawyer, so I can't sue you for copyright infringements, but just be aware that you can't copy images or designs 100%. And now it just goes ahead and fetches the data from my German site, and then it will translate the entire thing, and then it will make a clone of my own website. And now let's see, the website is done and it didn't take my picture because of copyright issues, so it recreated myself with AI. But now I can just upload my own picture and tell it, yeah, please go ahead and upload my own. And then popular tutorials, that's fine. And this is kind of different from the one I have on my website here. So this looks kind of different. Again, because of copyright infringement, it didn't took the picture and insert it on this page here. But then here's my work and my AI avatar. So I think I like this too. It's funny, and they're connected to my blog posts with all the tools, and everything is in English, so that's perfect. And it's definitely a good way to start creating a new website. And yeah, I just like it, how easy it is. You can just give it a link, tell the AI what to do, and now you would just go ahead and just tell the AI what other pages you need, and then at the end you can publish the website here, and you can even publish it under your own domain. So you can even purchase a domain via Base44 and then connect it to your dummy domain here and then publish it again, and then the website is live and online. And yeah, this is how you clone a website with AI for free. You will have, on the free plan, you will have 25 credits. After that you would need to upgrade, but yeah, if you sign up via the link down below, you get the first 25 credits for free. And it's definitely, as you've seen, I just needed 2 credits to create 2 websites, so probably you can do it for free. And yeah, have fun. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye.